Let's see how to print single-sided in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to print our document and we want to make sure that we only print on one side of the paper, which means that we'll only be printing on one side instead of both sides. Now, print, first click on the File tab and click on Print, or you can also click Control T on your keyboard to automatically head onto the printing option. And from here, make sure that you look for this one that says Print One-Sided and make sure that you click on that. And when you print, make sure that you insert all of your paper into your printer so that it will print consecutively and it will print on only one side. And that is how you can print one-sided in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.